Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to change your WordPress website's URL directly from the database. First, log into your cPanel account. Once you're in, scroll down to the Databases section and click on phpMyAdmin. Now, choose the database that's connected to your WordPress site. Once it's open, look for a table called WP Options. WP option name can differ depending on your website. Inside that table, you'll see two important rows, Site URL and Home. In the option value column, you can see the current URL. Go to Edit option and update the current URL to your new site address. Click the Go button to save the updated values in the database. And that's it. You've just updated your WordPress site URL through the database. If you're using a caching plugin, don't forget to clear your site's cache so the changes show up right away. Need help with plugins? Click on the video linked here for more tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching.